Okay, here we are. We are at the Holiday Inn Express in Charlestown, West Virginia. That's the door. You walk in to the right. This is the bathroom. Hair dryer, mirror, toilet, a tub, and a shower. Walk out of the bathroom. That is if you can't get an adjoining room. That's the door for the adjoining room. To the right here is a microwave refrigerator. I wish this area was a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger of a microwave. We have the coffee maker there. The refrigerator is pretty small. It's not mini. There's no little freezer thing in there, but those don't usually work anyway. But this could easily extend and give you a little bit more space. It's a really nice big room. Lots of seating. This closet is a little lacking. There's no door and it's very small. That's the bedding for the pull-out couch. That's the safe on the floor, which I think is kind of odd. Ironing board, iron, storage up there. As you go farther into the room, there's this living area. That's a pull-out couch. Couple lamps, coffee table. There's this night, and then there's a TV over here. There's actually 2 TVs in this room. This is a king sofa bedroom. Then you have the table and chairs. We've just gotten here. We have not unpacked or anything. The dresser, 2 really nice sized dressers. This is a king bed. The nightstand looks great. I like a good nightstand with lots of space and storage. It's a little warm when we first got in here. There's another TV here. It seems to be cooling off. There is no thermostat control in here. And there's this little bench, a desk chair, another mirror. That's actually the only mirror except the one in the bathroom. Chair, footstool. So you control the air conditioning and heat here at the unit, which I have not seen in a long time. This is the window. It looks like the window does open. It's really hot right now. We're here at the end of June, and we also have all this smoke going on from Canada wildfires, so it's really awful and smoky outside, so we don't want to open the window anyway. But there's a bunch of holes in the screen, so probably wouldn't be such a good idea. We're like right in the front of the hotel. This is the front entrance. Parking lot. It has a pool, which I will try to get some footage of that, or at least photos to put in the video, because I did not see good photos or videos of the pool from anybody. So it's a really big room, designed very well. Seems like it's going to be very functional. So anyway, that's it. Holiday Inn Express in Charlestown, West Virginia, very close to the racetracks.